Hello guys, welcome to Stitch Me Services workshop. My name is Bemgoyo Huna Blessing Gomimi, so you're welcome.
Thank you so much. Okay,
Yeah.
we're here at Stitch Me Services. What was this seam?
Okay, this is an industrial sewing machine, but it's for weaving.
Okay.
So it's used to do finishing on your clothes. Most times when you finish sewing, you see that the inner hem is neatly done. That's because we use the weaving machine to finish the inner
finishing.
hem.
Okay,
yes.
Yeah, this weaving. Okay, this is the machine that normally does.
Yes, some have
weaving.
4 threads, but mine is 3 threads. So this is
Okay.
a weaving machine.
Wow. So, are you the one that made this?
Yes. This is a boo-boo dress
Boo-boo dress.
made in thick Duchess material, and we are hand beading it. We are yet to be done, but these are part of the yes, we've
Are you going
started
to put
beading
it
it.
all over, or you're just
No, we are just going to do it on a portion of the chest.
Okay, just a little.
Yes. So this is the boo-boo dress.
looks
It's one of
beautiful.
our collections for the ready-to-wear. It's yet to be finished.
Are you doing this for somebody, or you're just
No,
for market?
we are actually making a collection for sale
Okay.
to market, so it's part of it.
Right. So, what is this machine?
Yes,
This
this
one?
machine, this is my first machine, my first industrial machine ever.
Okay.
When I started sewing, after I finished learning how to sew, this was the first machine I got. So it's also a straight sewing machine, it's an industrial straight sewing machine.
For how long now? How long have you been using
This has been for over 6 years,
it? 6 years.
6 getting to 7
But
years.
it's like you're not using it again.
No, it's still very much in use.
Okay.
It's still very much in use.
Alright, we have another one here.
Yes. So I actually make for both male and female. So this is one of our male outfits. It's made with a vintage material. This is not senator, or is like a crepe, vintage crepe material that is used for male.
Okay.
So this is a short sleeve up and down for a male.
Or maybe you should make one for me too.
Definitely.
You know, this guy looks like me, but the difference is that he's a white guy. Okay, so guys, we're still here at the workshop. We're still moving around to see so many things, and here we are. Oh, look at another design here. What's the name of this one?
Okay, this is also a Duchess, thick Duchess material, and this a jumpsuit.
Oh, jumps.
Yes. So this jumpsuit is actually, by the time we finish our production, it's going to be styled in so many different ways. As you can see, the inner top is different from the outer. The jumpsuit just comes like this. It has this opening. So what is one inside is completely different from the jumpsuit itself.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
this is just a design, just for...
Yes, you can wear it with an office shirt.
Oh, wow. Oh, what's this?
Yeah,
love
this is
this.
one of our best sellers.
Guys, this is good on me. What do you
I
say?
need to, yes, it's perfect for you. So this is a bumper jacket, but not just any bumper jacket.
Okay.
This is the double-sided bumper jacket
Okay,
made
let's
with
see, let's see,
Ankara.
let's see.
So the zip is also reversible.
Wow.
You can, in fact, I want you to try it on
Okay.
so that they will see what we are talking
Maybe
about.
I'll just carry it home.
They just carry it home.
So this is my gift. This is good. Wow.
So this is an Ankara bumper jacket. It's reversible. You
But
can
it's
see
not
that
going
he
to
just
fade.
turned it. No. This is
Okay.
quality Ankara fabric, original Ankara fabric that it's been used to make with. Okay, so it's a little bit small on you
Yeah.
because bumpers are meant to be loose. So you just,
This kind of tight.
yeah,
So
it's
maybe-
not your size.
It's not my size.
Okay.
But let me just borrow it.
Okay, so it can still be worn on the reverse side, and both sides have pockets.
Oh wow, this is
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
So yes, this is one of our best sellers so far.
Wow.
It's really beautiful, it's comfortable, and it can be worn in cold weather. So it has taken us off the shores of Nigeria,
So
definitely.
you mean this year has gone to UK?
It has. I will have
Everywhere.
proof. Yes.
Okay. So guys, look at this. This is beautiful and it's fitting on me, but it's not my size. But I think you can get something like this for yourself, and it's cheap. 25k is just something that you can just, just drop for something like this.
And it's durable. No. It's durable.
Okay.
It's not materials that fade out.
So guys,
It's
look
durable.
at this. I'm going to pay money so that they can make my own, but they will give me discount.
Definitely.
So this is beautiful. Okay, so I'm seeing this Okay, I'm seeing this olden days. Can I say olden days?
Vintage.
Olden days
It's a vintage
sewing machine.
machine.
That's what they used to call people. Those days they said a tailor. But now they call them fashion design because in those days they call them tailors. So how come do you still have this in your workshop?
Oh, this machine this is where the whole story started from.
Okay.
So this machine is a blessing, it's a motivation, it brings memories and all.
Okay.
This was my mother's machine.
Oh, your mother's machine.
Yes,
wow.
my mom was a tailor also. So I grew up with tailoring in the blood. I was born with it. This machine is actually older than me.
Yeah, so
and it still works.
How old is this machine? Let's say it's 50 years.
I don't think it's up to 50, but it should be 40 something years.
But do you still use it?
Yes, I use it from time to time. But because of the industrialized ones, they are faster than this. Okay. So I use this once in a while. Maybe when I don't have light and I need to do something quickly, or you can do little things like buttonhole. Okay. So sometimes I prefer to use this to make a buttonhole and all that. But it sews anything just like the industrial ones. I make bags and it also makes bags.
Oh wow!
Yes,
it's good. It's good to keep the memory. I think you are going to keep this in your children.
Yeah.
Children's children will still use it, and everybody will use it. This
definitely,
nice.
Definitely.
So, what still show us around? I can see so many things designed.
Okay, so this is one of the tables we started with.
Okay.
So this is one of our tables. I started with this. It's smaller than that one. We're using it to cut, but even now when I have a lot of work and some staff that are going to sew with us, I still use it. So as you can see here, we still have some Ankara fabric and male fabric. Like I said, we are doing a production for a ready-to-wear collection. So we still have a lot of things that we are yet to sew. These bags here also have fabrics that we are yet to cut and sew. So just watch out for us. Watch out, watch out.
So guys, in case you are looking for somewhere or somebody who can sew something good for you, come to Stitch Me Services. You know, check them on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter.
Services for Instagram and Stitch Me Services on Facebook. Okay.
Right. So, what do we have here?
Okay, so some of our finished clothes are in here.
Wow.
We've just done a few. Hi to Noala. Maybe you help me bring.
Let me help you.
If you notice, I have a high chair here so that we can use it. Okay, so this is a two-piece we've just made.
Wow.
It has a top and a trouser. So that's our two-piece. You may not really see the beauty now, and you can see our Stitch Me tag right there. Yeah.
So all these boss ladies, yeah.
Yeah, this is for boss
this is kind of
ladies. Yeah.
It's really beautiful.
You're in the spirit.
I love it.
Thank you, thank
Maybe
you.
I should get this for my wife.
Definitely, please do that. Do that.
So like this is how much?
This is going for 25,000.
25,000.
Yes.
The price is cool.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay. Let's see other ones.
Okay, this is also a two-piece, but this is a long sleeve two-piece.
Wow.
So it's still with a trouser. This one now has a collar neck. Okay. Like we are saying, we are still in production, so most of our things are not yet finished. Okay. As you can see, there are no buttonholes yet, and there are no buttons. Wow. But the trouser is also inside. So that is it. Working class ladies,
this
please.
Is for you. Please come and buy. You know, they can do it in any design the way you want it. They will do it for you. So please, you can patronize them. Check their Instagram handle, Facebook, Twitter, and everywhere.
Yes.
So I can see this one is the.
Yeah, this is for a
dress.
baby. Yes.
Wow,
this is a baby dress.
This is beautiful.
This is a baby ball dress. Wow. This for an 8-year-old. This for an 8-year-old child.
You made this?
Yes, I did from scratch. Everything.
Wow. That's to say you can even make a wedding gown.
Yes, I've done I've done some wedding gowns. I have some pictures I will send to you.
Wow.
Yes.
So how much do you sell your wedding gown?
It depends on the style. If it's a ball dress, it's going to have more. If our wedding gowns don't depend on the style. If it's a ball dress, it carries more net. So we're going to consider all that. And then the amount of embellishment on the chest also
so
counts.
How much?
Okay, on an average, we start from around 250.
Oh, 250.
Yes. That's where we start from, 250 upwards.
250 upwards.
Yes. So your embellishment is what will tell how much we are going to add to it, how big you want your ball to be, and all that comes in. How long you want the train to go and all.
Wow, this is beautiful.
So we start from 250.
So
but for children, this one is not up to 250. Oh, please, this is a baby's dress. We're talking of proper wedding dresses. So this is a baby's dress. So this one, depending on the age, for this one that is 8 years, we are selling this for 26,000.
26,000.
Yes.
I think it's cool. The price is okay. Wow. So we still have so many designs.
Okay, maybe we should look at this. Yeah.
Oh.
So this is, I know that ladies love cow neck. You can't even see the beauty now.
This
is
cow
one.
neck.
Yes,
Okay.
this is a dress that has cow neck. Till it's properly worn, you can now see the beauty of it.
Okay. What's the name of this one?
It's a cow neck flay dress.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Are you still going to do some design or just going to...
No, this one is just going to be like this.
Okay.
But by the time it's worn, that's when you really see
see
it.
the
Now
beauty.
it's just on the hanger, you will not understand
Oh
how
my
nice
God.
it looks.
Okay, this is a jacket.
Yes, that's the jacket, some top, some more two pieces.
These are big girls stuff here.
This is a crop top two piece. So we're still going to have some buttons here and
You made this one too?
yeah, that's a kimono jacket, a net kimono jacket.
Is it for guys? Or for
Guys can also wear it because
with
guys
this
can
kind of
wear
design?
kimono now. No, yeah, guys wear kimono now. Guys even wear stoned clothes.
Okay.
So there are clothes now that both male and female are struggling
Okay, so
to dress
but
in.
with all of this, what are the challenges you face when doing production?
Okay, there are a lot. With number one now, the current economy is really something else. So one of the challenges is that for us in production, when you make a particular cloth and people request for that fabric, there's possibility that by the time you go back to get more of it, it's already finished. Because fabric goes quickly out of fashion. So you may buy a bundle of a particular fabric, make clothes, and people are requesting for that particular one. You go back to the market and it's no longer there. So that's one of the challenges. Then the hike in prices now has increased so much in the production also. So there's hike in production because everything has increased.
So that's to say you need to expand.
Definitely,
So you can have
need
your own
to.
textile company.
I need to.
You can be producing whatever you want to produce.
Please, Nigeria, help us to get there.
Come to Stitch Me Services to enjoy all the beautiful services. If you're a guy, a lady, young guy, or whatever you are, come to Stitch Me Services and then get your best services. So,
And this is just a tip of the iceberg.
no, I know you have a lot of things.
So please, this is not just all we have. As you said, if you follow us, you see as we are dropping our updates. Okay, so when people come to fit in their clothes, because we also do costume tailoring for people that will bring in their fabrics to be made. We have a changing room here.
Okay, this is your changing room.
Yes, this is the changing room. So you can have privacy to change, and then the mirror over there. We have some accessories here where we keep some things. So I also make bags.
Okay.
So these are made for bags. These are belts. These are belts for bag handles, some of them for designs and all that. So the whole of that place is for belts.
Okay, this is for bags and
Yes,
belts
this is
that
for
you
bags.
normally use.
Yes.
Okay, what kind of bags do you make?
I do souvenir bags. I also make lunch bags. I make shuttle bags.
Traveling bags.
Traveling bags, shuttle bags. And I've made for quite a few people.
Okay.
I've made for some somebody that owns an NGO.
Oh.
He ordered a couple, we made it. There I have some customers, people that were traveling out that ordered for some. And I've made several souvenir bags for weddings and anniversaries and all that.
So guys, Stitch Me, they have everything you need. It doesn't matter how the space, and this space is good. And look at this, there's this, what do you have here?
So that's why I said it's just a tip of the
There's need for
iceberg.
expansion, or
Yes,
need to expand
please.
so that everything will be put in
So
the
these
right
are still some of our fabrics that we are yet to sew.
Okay.
These are some of them. We are still making them. So we still have a lot of fabrics that we are still going to work on. You just need to keep following us, keep watching out, and you will get whatever. So these bags have fabrics. We still have another bag over there with a lot of fabrics in.
So guys, Stitch Me Services is for you. Come to Stitch Me Services and then you see what you have. Come and check by yourself. They're in Lagos. Okay, now, can you deliver anywhere around the world?
Yes, in fact, we have customers that we've delivered in the UK and in the US. Okay. We have people, so anywhere around the world you want it, we can. Okay, it's just that you foot your bill for your transportation, that's all. Okay. We deliver anywhere in Nigeria, we deliver anywhere in any other part of the world.
Okay, that's beautiful. All right, thank you.
Thank you.